Hey everyone, it's that time of the year when we're all gifting a little extra joy, especially to the little ones. So today I'm going to show you how I made these easy budget-friendly Christmas goodie bags that are perfect for school classrooms, holiday parties, or even December birthdays. I'm starting with these festive name stickers that I got from the dollar store, and there are about 100 stickers in the pack, so you can easily save them for the coming years too. I like writing to and from with the kids' names. It makes each bag feel extra special. And if you're wondering about this cute pen, it's from Scholastic. I picked it up at the school book fair. For the actual goodie bags, I also got at the dollar store. Once you have everything ready, I like to separate the bags into two sections. One for girls and one for boys. That way, it's easier to stay organized and know which colors are going where. Next, I added crayons and these adorable erasers. They come in fun holiday shapes like trees and snowmen, and they're also from the dollar store. We chose pinks and reds for the girls and greens and darker colors for the boys. My little one helped decide this part. A quick tip here, my child's classroom has 16 kids, so I always make sure to count everything ahead of time and divide it evenly so no one is left out. For treats, we decided chocolate mints. They're perfect for this time of year and smell amazing. Of course, we couldn't forget mini candy canes, which I picked up at Target. The box came with 40 candy canes, so we added 2 per bag. We also wanted something salty, so we added these chips that kids always love. 1 in each bag. Then for chocolates, these mini treats from Target were perfect. Since the pack came with 30 and there are 15 kids, we added 2 per bag again. Lastly, we included these Haribo gummy bears, which are always a hit, 2 per bag as well. Something I really love adding is one unique item to make each bag feel extra personal. This year, my little one wanted to make mini beaded gifts for his friends, which I thought was such a thoughtful idea. It's also a great way to get kids crafting and involved during the holidays. Each bag comes with its own tie, so once everything is inside, I tie them up neatly. Then I place them all into a large Christmas gift bag. That way the classroom knows it's a gift for the whole class. I always get these bags from Burlington. They sell really cute holiday sets. And that's it. These goodie bags are festive, budget-friendly, and so fun to put together. I hope this video inspires you for your holiday gifting this year. If you're also looking for teacher gift ideas, make sure to check out my other video. I'll link it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.